8 Notion tricks for beginners. Trick 1. Dark mode. Go to settings and members, my notifications and settings and appearance. Trick 2. Go to the top right on the 3 dots and select full width to use the whole page. Trick 3. Click on the star in the upper right corner to list the notes separately in the overview. Trick 4. Press shift if you want to list something separately in a list as special sub-items. Trick 5. Drag one column to the right of another to split your page. Trick 6. To have several different divisions among each other, type slash, divider and press enter. Trick 7. To have text rewritten, translated or completely written, enter slash and the I and choose an option. Trick 8. When you create a new page, go to template and see if there's already a suitable one for your purpose. There are a lot of templates available for free, but I want to provide you, of course also for free, what you won't find there. This is my own template, which I have been working with for weeks. It makes sense for you to use it if you want to write down your to-dos in Notion, don't want to lose track of different areas of your life, but especially if you have business with digital products. Interested? Let's get started. On the homepage, you'll find space in the first column for 3 important areas in your life. For me, that's my business, sports and music. In my template, the content manager is also included at this point for anyone who produces content on social media. In the second column, there's space for your to-dos, daily to-dos and to manifest your morning routine. In the third and last column, you can plan your week, either new every Sunday or like I do, have a fixed weekly workflow. Feel free to use it for free, the link is in the video description. I wish you only the best, your Nils.